If your Slack workflow is throwing the invalid_blocks error, don't worry. This is usually a formatting issue, and in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix it step by step. This is one of those errors that can feel confusing at first, especially when your workflow looks perfectly fine on the surface. But the good news is that the fix is usually quick and simple. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more helpful software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. The first thing you want to do is open Slack and go into Workflow Builder. Once you're inside, find the workflow that is giving you the error and open it for editing. This is important because the invalid_blocks error is often caused by something inside one specific step, not necessarily the entire workflow. So start by going directly to the workflow you want to troubleshoot and edit it from there. Next, look for the send a message step. This is the most common place where the invalid_blocks problem shows up, because Slack message blocks can be very sensitive to formatting. Click into that step and carefully review the message content. What you want to do here is remove anything that might be causing the block structure to break. That means clearing out emojis, removing links, deleting special characters, and stripping away any rich formatting that may have been added accidentally. A very common cause of this error is hidden formatting. Even if the message looks simple, something may have been copied in from another app and brought invisible formatting with it. To fix that, delete the message content completely and retype it manually using plain text only. For example, just type a simple message like hello. Keep it clean, basic, and unformatted. This helps Slack accept the block without any issues. If you still want to be extra sure there's no hidden formatting, there's a great trick you can use. Copy the text from this message field, paste it into Notepad or any plain text editor, then copy it back from there and paste it into Slack again. This removes most hidden styles, links, and special formatting that can trigger the invalid_blocks error. It's a simple step, but it can save you a lot of time when troubleshooting. Another thing to check is whether the message field is empty. Slack workflows can also fail if the block expects text, but the field is blank, so make sure there is actual content in the message box. Even a short plain text message is better than leaving it empty. If your workflow allows optional text, still make sure the structure is valid and nothing important has been removed. Once you've cleaned up the message content, save your changes and then publish the workflow again. This part is important because editing the workflow alone is not enough. You need to republish it so Slack applies the updated block configuration. After that, run a test again. Trigger the workflow and see if the invalid_blocks error is gone. In many cases, once the message is converted to simple plain text and all hidden formatting is removed, the workflow starts working normally right away. If it still doesn't work, go back one more time and inspect any other message or block fields in the workflow. Sometimes the problem is not just the main message body, but another field with unsupported formatting or a missing value. The key is to keep everything as simple and clean as possible until the workflow validates correctly. So to quickly recap, open Workflow Builder, edit the workflow, go to the send a message step, clear formatting, remove emojis, links, and special characters, use plain text like hello, check for hidden formatting by pasting through Notepad, make sure the field is not empty, then save, publish, and test again. And that's how you fix the Slack workflow error invalid_blocks. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like and subscribe for more step-by-step tech fixes and workflow guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.